All right, welcome back to a new day, Money Makers. This is your boy Deron, and we continue to keep making you make money. This is called the Earn app, and you can earn passive income while your devices rests. So I talked about this about 2 weeks ago, but it was for a different. It's called the one that I talked about too is called the Idle app. Basically, you can just leave your phone. Um, Plugged in and it'll just analyze all of the information that's on your phone and then basically it'll transfer that data to them and then you'll get paid every week just for transferring that data. That was for that particular one. But this works a little bit differently. So basically you're going to download the Earn app and you're going to have to go through the settings and change and make sure that you agree to everything and then you can start earning. So go ahead and click the sign up button right here. Um, and basically, you're going to sign in with your account, whatever account you have. And then basically, you can either download it for Windows or you can download it for Android. And they have different platforms, whatever device you have, you can download that. They even have it for Windows, so you download it, and then basically it's going to install a file, and then you need to click on in your downloads file, like similar over there or whatever, to be able to do it. Obviously, this is you're going to walk on your back, and it's going to tell you everything, your current income, whether it's time to auto redeem, and then you can even also share your invite code as well too. Um, that way, that other people can sign up under your code, and then you get a commission for how much ever they make, like 10 or 20% of whatever they make, you'll get in commissions. So make sure that you do what you do. They have the FAQ questions here, so please do read over that. It tells you a little bit about what the Earning app is about. The Earning app is a platform that allows users to earn money from their unused internet bandwidth or by completing tasks from the vast offer wall. This innovative app is available for use on PC, Macro OS, Linux, Raspberry Pi, Android, and iOS. So it's available on a lot of different platforms or a lot of different devices. So make sure you understand that. They tell you how the Earn app rates are calculated, how much you could earn if there's low traffic demand, what are the available payment methods for processing time. So they have PayPal, Wise, Amazon gift cards, and you only need $10 to redeem all of them, except the Amazon gift card, which is at $50. They don't have in some regions it's not available for the Amazon gift card, so you have to just kind of go with the Wise or the PayPal. And the payments are processed once daily from Sunday to Thursday. So if you get anywhere from within that time, you'll be able to get your payment. So make sure you're doing everything you can to be due diligent to for them to collect your data. Don't use VPNs or anything like that that's going to mask your information. Because if you do, you will get banned. And other than that, please let me know if this is a good app if you want to continue to